welcome to another review video. Today I'm reviewing RoleCosplay's Nurse Shuten outfit. Of course, this cosplay is not only suitable for Shuten but also for Ibaraki. Fun fact, you actually get the accessories for both Shuten and Ibaraki. However, the accessories like the horns, the heart-shaped accessory on her forehead, the ears, and the board are not included. So I received two packages, one with the costume and one with the wig. We start with the costume. I'm glad that I received everything that was supposed to be in the package. The dress is made out of two kinds of fabric. The white one is really stretchy, which is really nice because it fits like a glove. I also appreciate that these fabrics are sewn together really well. What I adore about the pink fabric is that it sparkles and shines. And there is a split in the side, which is really sexy. True to the design, they made a keyhole in the dress. And did you notice the little pearls on the sides? It is so cute. And I appreciate the way they are sewn together. Moving on to the back to the dress, you can actually see that there is an invisible zipper in there. And again, the fabric is really stretchy. Next, we move on to the arm accessories, which are super adorable and easy to attach and detach. Well, of course, it remains a little bit difficult to attach arm accessories all by yourself. But once they're on, look how cute they are. Last but not least, we add the white arm accessory to the pink one. And this is what it looks like together. It looks cute, right? Next on, we move to the hair accessory, aka the nurse hat. I think this is my personal favorite. Overall, the hat is adorable, but it also matches the pink with the pink of the dress and the bracelets. As you can see, you can easily attach the hat to your wig. Next, we move on to the suspenders. I'm sorry, the shot is a little bit messy, but I already worn them. So I can actually convince you guys that these suspenders are really comfortable and made out of a nice fabric. They're easy to attach to your stockings and they will keep them up, so that's really nice. Another pro for me is that they're not too tight and you cannot see them underneath your dress. Next, we move on to the stockings, and as you can see, they're really stretchy in the top and in the length, which makes me happy because my legs are not the smallest and I actually fit them pretty well. This is what it looks like when it's on. I actually adore wearing this costume. It really fits so well and it's really comfortable to wear. It is a little bit short though, therefore I would recommend shorts when wearing it to a con. Overall, I'm really happy with this cosplay. I would totally recommend it to all of you. It actually fits like a glove, the quality is amazing, and it is very comfortable to wear. As you can see, it fits very well and it looks super cute. One small negative point is the fact that the applique at the bottom of the dress came loose pretty fast. Up next, we will take a closer look at the wig, which was nicely packed. The first thing I noticed about the wig was the really nice hairline in the middle they created. It looked so realistic. I was actually flabbergasted to see how they created it from the inside. Hairnet looks really nice, nothing to complain here really. The wig has a really nice quality and you can brush through it really easily. It's also very thick and the color is really beautiful, just like Shuten her own color, dark purple. To make sure the wig doesn't fall off, you can also attach the hooks in the back. Now we will take a closer look at the wig while I'm wearing it. In advance, I cut the bangs of the wig because they were insanely long. I absolutely adore how natural the wig looks on me. I actually did not cut any of the other parts of the wig. And it was very easy to style the front of the wig. In short, I would recommend both cosplay and wig. And we all love discounts. Therefore, you can use my code Keiko at RoleCosplay for 13% off. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful to you.